So it's been a good Monday. I've had 3 out of my 4 classes so far. I'm studying for Japanese because the midterms this week, but I was laying out my month and I feel all right about it, so I'm going to try and be organized for October. One of my goals, drink more water, practice my guitar. I'm going to kind of schedule even my fun time so that I'm more organized with time management because we learned about that. So Kaylee and I are going to Singo, our Monday tradition. I'm a little stressed about Japanese, I'll be real honest, but I made a friend in the class and we're going to study tomorrow on Wednesday, so yeah, life is good. Today we folded laundry in my education class, and then we did
it like last week.
In my literature class, talked about making photo album storybooks, and then in my other education class, we talked about socio-constructivism, and in Japanese, we just learned how to use what and where, and now I'm going to have some chicken wings, because I earned them. So Kaylee and I had a good night at Singo. We're going this side, Kaylee. She had one to go. She's a little bitter about it, but
this is the second time. We're just it's next time. Next time.
It's okay. We made a friend.
We did!
A super sweet girl, and a guy tried to hit on us. And I was like, oh, I'm taken.
Yeah, God, it's like, I have a boyfriend, he wouldn't like this.
And he's like, can I have your number? I'm like, I don't think my boyfriend would like that. My boyfriend don't exist, but
So, you know, Mondays,
yeah,
perfect.
Go to it.
Go to it, guys, if you're around here.
Today's been really great. I had my spin class, so I've been up since 6 in the morning, but it feels good. I like starting my day that early. And then I have my arts ed class, which is my favorite. Today we did a fun abstract art activity. You closed your eyes and drew one continuous line, and then you had to kind of come up with an idea or a shape that you thought it might resemble and title it. Then your friends at your table titled it, and you had to choose your favorite and kind of really make it into what you said it was. At first I thought it was going to be an iron, but it turned into a wind-up mouse. So I think it'd be a great activity to do in the classroom, even in my internship this fall. And now I'm having pizza bagels. I'm going to be studying lots for Japanese today. I work at the Student Teacher Preparation Center, but I can look over my notes there. And yeah, so it's a good Tuesday. It snowed a lot. So everyone has left the apartment and I am enjoying a nice little glass of wine. I know there's a lot, I don't know how to pour wine, but the truth of the matter is I've been spending the last 2 days studying hard for Japanese midterm, and it went well, I believe. I made a friend in the class, so we studied together, which was very nice. Other than that, today I took a nap, went to the dentist. I have receding gums. Cheers. I have a caramel fluorine now, which I thought was pretty cool. Now I'm relaxing because I have worked hard and I need an evening off. Tomorrow I'll do more work. Hajime mashite. Kyasarin desu. Dozo riroshiku.
Oh my God, it's like right in my lips. I'm not doing hand gestures. I'm leaving my hands here so I can see because I feel like I'm itchy.
Just glue them.
Just glue them right down.
What part was going?
I know, it's gonna come into the chorus. Hannah's like, I'm just, you know, it comes in the chorus, I'm gonna be so screwed. I can already feel it. I'm going to give up. I can't get into it. Oh, I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give in. Oh no. Y'all, my hands are like starting to shake because I want to do it so bad.
Oh, that was a dance.
I had a head twitch. I had a head twitch. I don't know what you're talking about.
It was very rhythmic.
These eyes will not be blinded by the lights.
Now she's performing.
Dreams are keeping me away. I could go out the world to be a vision of the one I see.
cheesecake. And now Kaylee's gonna kill me. So.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
I'm like nervous to cut this. Oh, it's still actually warm. Holy crap.
I'm excited.
It's fine. We're just sampling it.
It was overall a good Thursday. I did some homework at the library, but I didn't do too much because the first part of this week was very homework filled. Tonight we made cheesecake and Kaylee and I watched Station 19 and Grey's Anatomy, so it was a nice chill Thursday. And tomorrow's Friday and I'm gonna have the place to myself. Throw a party, one might think, but no, I'm gonna enjoy my alone time because I love being alone. Wild Catherine in her natural habitat. Tostillos and my favorite dip. Easy to make. Sour cream, salsa, and cheese. The ratio, you just gotta work with it. Sometimes it's too creamy, sometimes it's too salsa-y, so experiment. That's all I got to say. Cheers.
Now.
It's a baby! Ooh, I like this calendar.
Alright, so just for reference, this one. What? What? What?
I haven't even had Halloween yet. Finally alone, and now I'm like, I don't know what to do. I miss my friends. This one, never satisfied. But yeah, whee! I could do anything. Oh, let's run up and down the stairs. I am not that wild. Day 2 of being alone. I'm finishing my soup I made earlier this week. Janessa and I watched a movie, had a good time, and I'm gonna go out and get some groceries. In the meantime, I'm editing. Alright, so I'm gonna head out and get some groceries because I need waffles. Janessa loves waffles, I love waffles, and I only bought 8, which was probably a bad decision, but I also need paper and lotion and salad because I'm gonna start a diet after Thanksgiving. I need to lose 10 pounds. Notice I've been saying that a long time, but no, I'm 130 pounds, which, like, no body shame to anyone who's any weight, but I used to be 120 pounds. You might say, okay, Catherine, that's only 10 more. I figure if I gained 10 pounds last year, and if I continue on that pattern, eventually I'm going to be at an unideal weight for myself personally. So I am going to start eating better, and I'm going to go to the gym twice a week. I'm going to make that my goal. I find when I wake up early and go, it gives me more energy anyways. After Thanksgiving, because turkey, you know. So it's been a good day. I did a lot of homework just now, and I'm gonna head to the library because there's a project I need to do where you have to find a resource to help your fellow education students in their artistic classroom futures. That made sense. So I think I found a book that might work for something. You really have to think outside the box for this project. One little adventure. I love living on campus, like, despite the price. I mean, at Laval it wasn't expensive, just saying. Because you can just go to the library that easily. Yeah. Starting line up. Okay, hey. I'm surprised you went for that one, Samuel. Out of everything else. Oh, look at that one. That's the one I really like, but it's a package deal.
That one looks like Rico.
It kind of does. We have to get him. He can spend a week in Lethbridge and a week in Regina.
Oh, look how photogenic he is.
Right? Look at him working. Aww. What if he were this guy who makes cat toys? Look at him. Tatted up. So it has everyone's attention. Teepees are lit, they're so pretty. And for once, Saskatchewan has trees, so you can't see squat. Oh, there they are. Nice. Ooh. Maybe I'll start going for walks at night.
Don't mind me. Just taking my pet fish for a walk.
This is Sushi. He's just getting used to home. It was a little bit difficult to get him in the tank, but he's adjusting, so hope Sushi lives. Samuel! Sushi made it through the night. He's still happy and he's so cute. I'm such a proud fishy mom. Yeah. Hey, pretty boy. He did kind of eat, so he ate a bit and then spit it out, but that's what Finn did too, so I'm thinking that's normal. We're hoping that's normal. See you later, Sushi. I'm so proud of him. I've got my guitar lesson, and then my lovely friend Anna's invited me to Thanksgiving dinner, and we're gonna work on homework before. So it'll be a busy day, but a fun day. Now you guys know I miss Quebec for many reasons, but probably the main one is the bus system. Like, you actually can't survive in a city like Regina or Moncton without a car, because the buses come once an hour. And it's always like 5 minutes before I'm off work, 5 minutes before my guitar lesson ends, which went really well today. We're still working on Blackbird, and I'm going to participate in a concert, which is exciting. I feel young again. Okay, Sushi, take care, my love. You're super cute. Yes, you are.
Uh-huh, honey.